Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1993 Silverado 4x4. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with the heavy duty 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft. We have the Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads on there, American made. The red Taylor ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. These real nice Chevrolet center valve cover bolt valve covers. This is the Performer TBI intake manifold with the proper thermostat housing. We're going to be testing this customer's engine with the carburetor on there and an HEI distributor to send them the video to show them all the readings are perfect on the engine. The oil pressure, coolant temperature, manifold vacuum. Everything will be fully checked, fully tested, ran in for over 45 minutes. Customer will get a video of his engine running. And then afterwards, because it's the TBI setup, we'll be removing the carburetor and the customer is going to be installing his own TBI in there. And we will install the proper distributor for the Silverado. This is the Raptor Serpentine pulley kit customer wanted, the polished version. We have the AC compressor on there. This is a heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Self-tensioning belt tensioner, maintenance free. We have the reverse rotation heavy duty water pump on there. 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup. GM Saginaw power steering pump with the reservoir attached, real nice. Make it easy for all the power steering lines to hook up. So there you have it, 350 Chevrolet. 400 horsepower version, all ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We're a family owned and operated business, been in business for over 50 years. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.